And for our recipe today, let's start with a medium potato. Cut it here in the middle and slice it in the Japanese style. If you've had Japanese curry before, you know. It's the same way. Cut it like this and just like that. It looks nicer. It can't be too big either. This size is perfect. A piece of carrot and cut it the same way. Like this to go with the potato. Red bell pepper, cut it here in the middle. And leave it just like that. Here we'll use half an eggplant. This one is a small eggplant. And cut it like this. And now like this. Piece. A medium-sized onion. Cut it here in the middle. Just like this. And it ended up in 3 parts. It's going to look like this. And a chicken thigh, skinless and boneless, cut into small pieces. I prefer the chicken thigh for this recipe, but you can use the breast too, and the tenderloin. The water started boiling. Let's add the egg and let it cook for 8 minutes. 8 minutes are up, just take it out. And put it in really cold water. Let's leave it here for about 10 minutes in a frying pan. A little bit of oil and fry the eggplant and the bell peppers. Give them a little browning until they become soft. And now you just keep turning them until it's fried on all sides. The bell pepper too. Here, everything is nice and golden brown. Just take it out and let's set it aside. This will be used later at the end. And now, Now in a slightly bigger pot, add all the onions, the carrot and the egg, and the potatoes, the chicken, a liter of water, and now just let it cook until the vegetables are soft, especially the carrots. And I'll use this Japanese curry roux that comes in blocks. This one is medium spicy. There's also the hot one, which is really spicy, and the sweet one, which is milder than medium. Here, each one comes with 110 grams. In this pack, I'll use only half, because I don't want a very thick soup, right? I want a thinner soup. And I'll use 2 cubes. Here, there are 55 grams. And here we'll cut it into small pieces so it dissolves faster and doesn't get lumpy. This is a tip for when you use this Japanese curry. Everything is well cooked. Let's add the curry. Mix everything very well until it dissolves well. It will start to thicken as well because it contains cornstarch. And it's already seasoned. That's why I didn't season it. If you think it needs more salt, just add a little bit. And turn it off. And now cut the egg. Music. Add soup. Music. And it's one of the best soups to warm up your night. Music.